Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 2, subject maths, chapter number 3, numbers up to 1000. This is 11th session on this chapter. Today, let us answer the questions in exercise 3I. Question number 1. Form all possible 3-digit numbers using the given digits only once. Here in each of these questions, 3 digits are given. Using those 3 digits only once, we have to form and write all possible 3-digit numbers. Look at A here. The digits given are 6, 0 and 5. So which are the numbers that can be formed using these digits 6, 0 and 5? In our previous session, we have understood the way of forming numbers using given digits. So here using the digits 6, 0 and 5, the numbers that can be formed are, so let me start from the digit 605 as it is given, or the smallest possible number that can be formed is 506, and then we may form keeping 5 there itself, interchanging these digits 0 and 6. I may write another number 560, and after that keeping 6 in hundreds place, I may write 605, which becomes 605. Keeping 6 in hundreds place itself, I will interchange the digits at tens and ones place. Now it becomes 650, which is the another number. And if you keep 0 in hundreds place and write 65, as we know 0 cannot be at the greatest place. This is not a 3-digit number. This is just equal to 65. It will become only 2-digit number. So 065 is not a 3-digit number. We cannot write this. Similarly 056 also just 56. So the numbers, 3-digit numbers that can be formed using 6, 0 and 5 are 506, 560, 605 and 650. Let us write these numbers here in the given space. Now look at B here. So the given digits are 3, 1, 7. So using these digits, we have to form all possible numbers. Let us try to write the possible numbers using the digits 3, 1 and 7. So we can form, let me start from the smallest possible number, that is 137. Just writing the given digits in increasing order 137. Now I will keep 1 in hundreds place. I will interchange the digits at ones and tens place. I will get 173. So now I will keep 3 in hundreds place and I will write 317 to get another number. Keeping 3 in hundreds place, I will write 371. 371 is another number. Now keeping 7 in hundreds place, I will write 713. 713 is another possible number using the digits 317. The another number is 731, 731. So how many numbers did be formed here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So using 3 different non-zero digits, we can form 6 different numbers. So let us write these numbers in the given space here. 137, 173, 317, 371, 713 and 731 are the possible different 3-digit numbers using the digits 3, 1 and 7. Now look at question C here. The given digits are 9, 2 and 8. Using these digits, let us form all possible numbers, 3-digit numbers without repeating. So as I am doing from the beginning here, let us start from the smallest possible number, writing the digits from smallest to greatest. So let us write 2, 8, 9 as first number. So here 2, 8, 9 are in increasing order. 289 is the smallest possible number that can be formed using 9 to 8. So now keeping 2 in its place, hundreds place, I will interchange the positions of 8 and 9. Now it becomes 298. Now what I do? So I will keep 8 in hundreds place and I will write 2 and 9 here, 829. And now keeping 8 in hundreds place, I will interchange the positions of 2 and 9. I will get 892. Now I will write 9 in hundreds place and write the remaining digits 2 and 8, 928. After that, writing 9 in hundreds place, I will write interchange the positions of 2 and 8. I will get 982, which is the greatest number that can be formed using the digits. This is the smallest number which can be formed using the given digits. So we have formed 6 different numbers using the digits 9, 2 and 8. Let us rewrite these numbers formed in the space provided here. 289, 298, 829, 892, 928 and 982 are the different 3-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 9, 2 and 8. Now look at D. 4, 5 and 6. We have to form the all possible 3-digit numbers using 4, 5 and 6. Let us write now. So the digits are given in increasing order. Let us write 4, 5, 6 together to form the number 456. And as I am doing, I will keep 4 in greatest place, interchange the digits at tens and ones place. So it will become 465. Now keeping 5 in hundreds place, I will write 4, 5, 4, 6 to get 546. Again keeping 5 in hundreds place, I will interchange 4 and 6 to get 564. Now I will write 6 in hundreds place and write the digits 4 and 5 to get 645. And finally I write 6, 5, 4 to form another number. So we have formed all possible numbers using the given digits 4, 5 and 6. Let us rewrite these in the space given here. 456, 465, 546, 564, 645 and 654 are different 6 numbers that can be formed using 4, 5 and 6. Question number 2. Form the greatest and the smallest 3-digit numbers using the given digits in each of the following. One has been done for you. So here we have to form. We should not write all possible numbers here. We should write down only the greatest number and the smallest number using the given digits. One example is shown here. 1, 2 and 3. Using these digits, the greatest number that can be formed is 321. How it is obtained? It can be obtained by writing the given digits in descending order. 3, 2, 1. So greatest to smallest. If you write the digits one beside the other, you will get the greatest number. And to form smallest number, you should write the given digits in ascending order or increasing order. 1, 2, 3. 123 is the smallest number that can be formed using the digits 1, 2 and 3. Likewise, we have to complete the remaining questions. B. 9, 4 and 2. So to write the greatest number, what we should do? We should write the digits in descending order. Greatest digit first, that is 9, and then 4, and then 2. 942 will be the greatest number using these digits. 942. To get the smallest number, write the given digits in descending order. That is 249. 249 is the smallest number. C. 8, 6 and 3. So to form greatest number, write the digits in descending order. You will get 863 and the smallest number will be 368. Here in D we have 705. You should be careful when there is a 0 to form smallest number. To form greatest number, there is no change in rule. We follow the same rule. We will write the given digits in descending order. That is 7 first and then 5 and finally 0. We will get the number 750. To write the smallest number, 0 should never be written in greatest place. So the next smallest number, leaving 0, then the next smallest number is 5. So 5 should come first and then 0, after that the remaining digit. So you will get 507, which is the smallest number that can be formed using the digits 7, 0 and 5. E. 413. The greatest number will be 431 and smallest number is 134. So these are the greatest and smallest numbers that can be formed using the given digits. Question number 3. Form the greatest and the smallest 3-digit numbers using the given digits. You may repeat a digit. One has been done for you. So here to form the greatest and smallest 3-digit numbers, if you look at these questions, only 2 digits are given. So to obtain a 3-digit number, 1 digit must be repeated. One example is also shown here. Let us look at this. A. The given digits are 2 and 7. To form the greatest number, we repeat the greatest digit in greatest places. You should remember both the things. We should repeat the greatest digit and those repeated digits should be at greatest places. So the number obtained is 772 is the greatest number that can be formed using 2 and 7. Smallest number is 227. Here we are repeating the smallest digit in greatest places, which will give us the smallest number. Coming to B, the digits given are 9 and 8. To obtain the greatest number, which digit has to be repeated? Yes, 9 should be repeated. So we write 998, which is 998 is the greatest number. And to write the smallest number, we repeat the smallest digit, that is 8. So the number will be 889. C, 4 and 6, which is greatest among these two? Yes, 6 is greatest digit. We should repeat 6 to obtain the greatest number. So we get 664. And to get the smallest number, we repeat the smallest digit in greatest places, that is 446 is the smallest number. In D, we have 5 and 0. To obtain greatest number, we repeat greatest digit, that is 5. So 550 is the greatest number that can be formed using 5 and 0. And to form smallest number, so we cannot form the smallest digit 0 in greatest places. If you write 005, it cannot be the 3-digit number. So what we should do is, we will repeat 0, but it should not be at greatest place. Remember that 0 should never be at greatest place of the number. So the smallest number that can be formed using 5 and 0 is 500. 0 is repeated and it is written at hundreds and tens places, not in hundreds place. It is written in tens and ones places. E, 1 and 3. The greatest number is 331, and smallest number will be 113. So you have to form greatest and smallest numbers by repeating digits as shown here. So we are at the end of this chapter. Before concluding, let us summarize the points we studied in this chapter. Let me make this image a bit bigger by making 2 parts. Yes, now we can read this. So 10 tens make 100. All these points are very important. We studied in this chapter. You have to go through this and remember. 10 tens make 100. 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. 10 hundreds make 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. The value of a digit because of its place or position in a number is called the place value. The definition of place value, we learned this in earlier chapters also. The number that has more number of digits is greater than the number with fewer digits. The numbers with equal number of digits are compared according to the place values. This is the condition for comparing the numbers. Ascending order or increasing order means arranging the numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Descending or decreasing order means arranging the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. In a 10 cross 10 number grid, the number one step above is 10 less than the number and one step below is 10 more than the number. One step left is 1 less than the number and one step right is one more than the number. This is about the nature of numbers in a number grid when numbers are written horizontally. To form the smallest number, arrange the given digits in ascending order. To form the greatest number, arrange the given digits in descending order. If 0 is placed in the greatest place value of a number, that is, if 0 is written to the left of a number, the resulting number is the same as the original number. So, this is to make you understand that 0 should not be at greatest place of a number while forming numbers. So, please remember all these points. I hope you enjoyed this video and understood all the points discussed in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye children.